Good morning, everyone. Here I want to say a few words about women empowerment on the occasion of Women's Day celebrations. Actually, to say about women empowerment, a man should explain. Unfortunately, everyone thinks that Women's Day is meant for women, but actually, the celebrations are the importance of the eve, everything goes to men, because as a woman is empowered, all the men are happy, leading their life successfully, reaching their goal. They are attaining everything in their life, because as a mother, as a sister, as a wife, as mother-in-law, or whatever the role the woman is playing, she is doing everything perfectly her role. Now, example, let us take our epics, Mahabharata, Ramayana, in those yugas, Dwapara Yuga, or now present Kali Yuga also, if you take, woman is playing her role perfectly. Here I want to quote an example for women. Woman is equal to the planet Earth. Our rishis, our sages denoted the planet herself woman. Bhumija. Bhumi means a woman. Even goddess Sita herself attained moksha, or she herself finally get to her mother Bhumi when she gets, I cannot use the word frustrated or vexed, when she has completed all her duties towards her family and the society. She goes to her mother lap. Though she was so much powerful and she can do everything within no minutes. She herself the goddess. She's a wife of Lord Rama. But still, as a woman, in the form of human being, she undergone all the sufferings or the evil things which was the result of the Ravana deeds. Okay, when we think about the Dwaraka Yuga, the Gandhari, she herself tied her eyes because she wants to know the life of a blind person. Unless she is a blind woman, she cannot know the valuable things or unvaluable, or what are the problems faced by a blind person. She herself sacrificed her life by tying a belt for her eyes and led her life like a blind woman, though she is not a physically challenged woman. Next woman we can take an example, Draupadi. She herself born from Agni with all the curses from her father. She is a gift of goddess or god Shiva. But still, as a woman given birth in this world, this planet Earth, she faces all the problems like a normal woman. Marrying Pandavas, she herself unknown that she would become wife of 5 brothers when she was marrying to Arjuna. Even Arjuna himself doesn't know that his wife will become wife of all his brothers. Naturally and unfortunately, it has happened because of the order of their mother Kunti. So here, on the occasion of Women's Day, the title Women Empowerment itself denotes that woman is empowered herself. Empowerment means powerful, powerful by herself, totally in all the ways of life. That is physically, mentally, psychologically, economically, financially, all the ways she is empowered in all her lifetime. Right from a baby, as a girl, she she's she blooms like a bud in the garden and gives the fragrance to the world. The parents are blessed when they see the newborn baby girl. The husband is blessed when he gets married with a lovable wife. Father-in-law and mother-in-law also blessed when they get blissful daughter-in-law. So here we can know that throughout her lifetime as a girl or a woman, she is playing her role perfectly. In olden days, our sages or rishis compared women with the planet Bhumi or Bhumija. So when we take to the present situation, we are destroying our planet ourselves. తెలుగులో చెప్తే మన గొయ్యి మనం తవ్వుకున్నట్టు మన భూమిని మనమే నాశనం చేసుకుంటున్నాం. ఆడవాళ్ళు వృద్ధి చెందుతున్నారని అనుకుంటున్నామే కానీ ఒక రకంగా వాళ్ళు అణగదొక్కపడుతున్నారు. భూమి కణజాలు తవ్వి తీసినట్టు ఆడదానిలోని ఉనికి ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ఈ డెవలప్మెంట్లో తవ్వి తీసినట్టు అన్ని రంగాల్లో ముందుకెళ్తూ తనకు తెలియకుండానే తను బలహీనురాలవుతున్నాడు, బలవంతంగా బలహీనురాలవుతున్నాడు. ఒక ఆడ మనిషికి తను బలవంతురాలుగా ఉండాలి, అన్ని రంగాల్లో వృద్ధి చెందాలి అని ఒక పసిపిల్లగా ఉన్నప్పుడు కోరిక ఉంటుంది, తల్లిగా ఒక కోరిక ఉంటుంది, భార్యగా ఒక కోరిక ఉంటుంది, కోడలిగా ఒక కోరిక ఉంటుంది. ప్రతి చోట తను వృద్ధి చెంది తన చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళని వృద్ధి చేయాలి అనుకుంటుంది. ఎంపవర్మెంట్ అంటేనే అక్కడ సామ్రాజ్ఞి అనొచ్చు. ప్రతి ఒక్క ఆడది సామ్రాజ్ఞిని. ఇప్పుడు బయలాజికల్గా మనం ఎట్లా సప్లిమెంట్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నామో ఈ బి కాంప్లెక్స్ అని, కూరగాయలని, ఆకుకూరలని, అన్ని ప్రోటీన్ ఫుడ్ అని రకరకాలుగా తీసుకొని మనంతకు మనము లేని బలాన్ని తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాము. అలాగే ఒక స్త్రీమూర్తి కూడా ఇంకా వృద్ధి చెందాలి అంటే తనంతకు తాను బలహీనురాలు కాకూడదు అని అంటే తను వృద్ధి చెందుతూ తన చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళని వృద్ధి చెందిస్తూ తన బలహీనురాలు కాకుండా ఇంకా ఆలోచన శక్తిలో బలవంతురాలయ్యి తనని తను కాపాడుకుంటూ పరులను పరులను సమాజాన్ని మొత్తాన్ని కాపాడే బాధ్యత ఎప్పుడూ ఆ ఋషులు ఈ స్త్రీమూర్తికి ఇచ్చారు. సో ఉమెన్స్ డే అంటే ఉమెన్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయటం లేదు ఇక్కడ. ఉమెన్ చేసే పనుల వల్ల మెన్ ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ద వర్క్స్, మెన్ ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ద ఫ్రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది work done by the women. So men should realize that women are the real swords, are the seeds, or the base for everything. So men should think that they should become the armor for women, and he himself should protect the women and develop the society. Without women, there is no men. This is 100% truth, I should say, but everyone knows confidently men should accept that there is no life on the earth, at the planet earth, or in any other planets without women. We know everything clearly, all the ways of life, human, all the living things, we have both the genders, both characteristics. Some plants, they have both characteristics of men and women. So there itself we know that it is naturally known that without women there is no men. Thank you for giving this opportunity, my dear Vasudha. I feel I have not wasted everyone's time. If possible, I'll try my level best for this society to do my role, to play my role properly, to improve the society on this occasion, Women's Day. Thank you once again to all.